So if you're in the market for a cutting board that has multi-use, whether it has wheat straw on one side and stainless steel, and you can cut multiple things, you want it something that's nice and large and stable, then this is definitely worth looking at. So in this review, what I'm going to do is go over the features of this. We've got two different sides to go over, and then also the care for it too. So the first thing I want to talk about is the size. It's just a really good size. It's 16 by 11. So you've got a lot of surface area here to go ahead and prepare your fruits and vegetables. And that's exactly what you're going to do with this side. This is actually made out of wheat straw, and it is recommended that you use this for the fruits and vegetables. You'll notice that we've got, of course, different colors right here. So it really kind of pops a little bit. And then what I like, if you'll notice, this is on both sides. See how we have these raised edges here? That actually keeps it from moving, especially when you're chopping. You can tend to have it vibrate and it's going to slide across whatever surface this is laying on, but this really does not do that at all because it does have those raised areas. Also, this is a good weight too, and that's what helps also with that. It's 3.74 pounds, so it's super sturdy. You can kind of see how thick it is right through here. And then also we've got a handle here too. So that way, if you want to, after you wash it, you're just going to go ahead and just hang it up. Now, there's a couple of cool features here worth pointing out. Now, you'll see here we've got a groove that goes all the way around the surface area, and that's to catch any juices that are going to drip off. And then if you'll notice right through this little area right here, this is actually called the grinding zone. And so it does have several rows of spikes, which are really good for grinding lemons, orange peels, or even garlic. So now that we've finished talking about the wheat straw side that's for your fruits and vegetables, let's talk about this side. That's what I love about this, dual-sided. Now we've got the stainless steel, and if you see here in the corners, we have the same raised edges that we had on the other side, which is the wheat straw side, but we've got a large area here too for stainless steel, which is going to be for cutting meats. So one thing that's important, I think you need to know about when you are cutting on stainless steel, you are going to see some marks on here. That's just the nature of it. As you're slicing on that steel, you're just going to see that. So just be aware of that. So I like that we've got cutting meats on the stainless steel side. Since it's non-porous, that's what's going to help keep it germ-free after you wash it. So it's just much easier to clean. You can cut meats on this side, but as you slice into this, since this isn't stainless steel, you could end up leaving some marks, and the meat could kind of get into those grooves, which can make it harder to clean. So this is how you're going to clean it. You are not going to put this in the dishwasher. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and hand wash this. And the reason being is that because of the heat in the dishwasher and the way this is made and the way the stainless steel side and the wheat straw side are bonded together, the superheat in the dishwasher could cause that to separate. So we want to do that. We just want to go ahead and just hand wash that with soap and hot water. I do appreciate the brand send this to me so I can tell you all about this and all the features. And I hope you found this review helpful.